No, I was joking. In this video, we are going to teach you how to be massacred. Ooh, what gun did you have? Where you scoped in? How do you know scope? How do you know scope? Oh, how do you keep headshotting me? Tap, tap, tap. Yes. City rifle guard is like the most. Oh, bro! I keep forgetting it's 3 and not T. I'm just an idiot. I'm just an idiot. I didn't say 2, I said T. I keep thinking it's. Knife battle, knife battle. Oh, I thought you said it was one shot. Keep missing. Both we suck. It was long. But I'm just too good with the knife. Oh, I killed you with it. Oh! Okay, for life. Hey, you have a rifle! Dude, I swear, what gun did you have? What gun? Cap. Stop the cap. You have a vehicle? What gun do you have? Oh, my aim! Yes. Yeah, this is gonna hit you. Bro, you got aimbot, my guy. Oh, but you do. Oh, but you gonna do when I step on you. What the? Where were you? Where were you? Customized. Mars. Uh, what is it? I'm playing. How? How do you have such good aim? Dude, no, that's not even an answer. What do you take an aim trainer every day? Yes, you do. I don't. I'm too good, bro. Ah, bro, I'm better than you at the knife. Ah. Oh my. Okay, let's do a knife fight. Knife fight. Knife fight. Yes, knife fight. Don't do it. Oh no. Alright, rematch. Knife fight. Another knife fight. Another one. Another one. No, you stood still. It's like. Oh yes. Get better, get better. You want to do it again? Let's do this knife fight again. Another knife fight. Knife fight. Knife fight. No, it's not. Yes. Want to do it again? One more. Or sure. Let's do it one more time. We both go full try hard. Oh. Baby, rock around, baby, rock around, baby, baby, rock around, baby, round. We're too good. Get better. No, we're fine. One more time. This is the last time. What the? I'm still better. Bro, you now you can. Oh yeah, sure. It's $0. I bet 0. Gentlemen's bet. We don't bet anything. Dun 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 dun. Oh yeah, you do you. I'm gonna hide. Is there fall damage in this game? Come on. Better than you. Sometimes I beat you up. No, fine. Let's do this one more time. That is the last time. Okay, this is the real last time. If I die, you're better. Alright, that's the last time, bro. Guns? You're gonna win guns, bro. Bro. What? You got the best aim in the universe. You got aimbot, kid. You got aimbot. Yeah, I do. No, headshot me. Yes. Oh my god, I'm lagging. This is not fair. If I die, it's my lag. If AFK, you can't kill me, I'm AFK. Oh my god, I'm laggy. You trying to come to my base, man? No. What is that president? Please let me get my knife. Hacks. Hacks. I'm still better than you at the knife. I'm still better than the knife. I'm better than you with the knife. At least, I mean, no, I'm good. We already did this. The knife is OP. I'm better than you with the knife at least. Oh, I'm better than you with the knife. Oh, we already bad. No. You're just gonna keep betting until you win because you're garbage. What are you saying? Slide. It's like, who